Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you have engine light on and any of the following codes such as code P0115, 116, 117, 118 or 119, stay with us, we will explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. It's not very complicated, but if you don't do one thing right, you can severely damage your engine and you may end up needing a new engine. So make sure to stand till the end and we will explain what it is. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's explain now guys what causes that. We're going to share also what computer we use for diagnostics, because many of you guys constantly ask that in the comment section below. This specifically, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on. 2013 now. What is guys causing any of these codes from P0115 to P0119? Most of the times guys it means that you have problems with the coolant temperature sensor. We have the air filter box removed and the intake hose, so we can get to it. If you want to see how to safely remove and replace coolant temperature sensor, we have the video on the channel. If you don't do one step guys, you can severely overheat your engine and that can end up being an expensive repair or even needing a new engine. So this is your coolant temperature sensor. It's usually located on the thermostat housing. The purpose of that sensor is to detect how hot your coolant is, so it can tell the engine computer. It can adjust everything such as fuel, timing, ignition, if it needs to turn the cooling fan and all that stuff. Now that sensor guys is super important. If it fails, you will get any of these codes. Also guys, if you want to see how to test coolant temperature sensor, we have the video on the channel that explains how to do that. Check it out. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. If not, it's on our channel, how to test coolant temperature sensor on any car. It's super simple. Once you guys figure out, let's say you test it and you find out it's a good sensor, what else can cause that? Let me explain now. The connector inside disconnected, and make sure that you don't have guys that you don't have coolant or oil leaks, because it's right under the valve cover, and if the valve cover is leaking it can drip oil inside the sensor wiring harness and that can affect the performance of the signal and you can get these codes. Another thing, make sure the wires are not loose, they're plugged all the way in and the wire is not broken or eaten. We had a few cases where mice will chew on those wires, especially winter time, because they're trying to find a warm place, and as a result guys, the wires was chewed and that caused the problem. Now many of you guys constantly ask me what computer we use for diagnostics. Let me show you right here, Maxicom. It's an amazing computer due to the fact that you can work on almost any car you can think of. Check it out, it's amazing. We constantly use it every day at the shop. And Kia, Hyundai right here, Kia and Hyundai, it's one company practically, so that sensor fits both cars, and right here you can even see it says Kia and Hyundai right there. So with the help of that computer you can access every computer in your car, and this Hyundai has 17 of them guys. You can read codes, delete codes and see live data for every computer. Super powerful tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.